Have you ever heard a strange noise in your home at night? For me, it started the first week after I moved into this old, cheap apartment. Every night, right around 3 a.m., a sound would wake me up. It was a faint, wet, crunching noise. At first, I blamed it on the old pipes, or maybe mice. But the sound got louder. It was coming from inside the walls surrounding me. One evening, a crack appeared in the plaster above my bed. I got a flashlight to take a closer look, and my blood ran cold. Sticking out of the crack, in a neat, perfect row, were what looked exactly like human teeth. Now, the cracks are spreading. And every night, the crunching gets louder, closer. I don't think they're just in the walls anymore. If you see this, don't rent on Elm Street. Stay tuned for what happens next.